大家好，我是皮皮，今天我给大家带来的书是 Peck Peck Peck。Today my daddy said to me, "It's time you learned to peck a tree." Now hold on tight, that's very good. Then peck, 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 peck the wood. Peck, peck, peck. Oh, look, yippee! I pecked a hole right through the tree.
Peck, peck, peck.
Darling, you're such a clever bird. That hole you've picked is so superb. Now off you go. My little one, practice hard and have some fun. Off I flew. I couldn't wait. Across the grass and into the gate. Peck, peck, peck. And now I'll peck this big blue door. Then go inside and peck some more. Peck, peck, peck. I peck the hat. I peck the mat. I peck the tennis racket and the jacket. Ooh.
Peck, peck, peck.
I peck a
Magazine.
a picture of Garden, an
Chair.
armchair, a teddy bear, a book called Giant Arm. Let me see the teddy bear. Oh. I pecked the shirt. I pecked the skirt. I pecked some slippers, socks, and polka dots. I pecked the soap. The blue shampoo. I pecked the sink and the toilet too. Peck, peck, peck. Eggplant. A
Tangerine.
a butter dish, a nectarine, a green bean, a sardine, and 17 jelly beans. Okay, peck, 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 peck,
Peck, peck, peck, peck, peck, peck, peck, peck, peck.
I peck and peck and peck and peck. I peck, 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 until there's nothing left to peck. Peck, 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 peck. I've pecked, and now I'm tired and rather dizzy. I think I'll fly to my nest.
I think I'll fly
back to my nest. Find my dad and have a rest. Oh, Dad, I've had so much fun. You should see the holes I've done. I absorb. I love to peck. I love, 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 love to peck. That's fantastic, Daddy said. And now it's time you went to bed. Good night, sleep tight. I love you. I love, 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 love you. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Is he pecking him?
Oh.
Peck again. Little woodpecker is learning to peck. Once he starts, he just can't stop.
Okay, thank you, Peter.